In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop images from showing in iPhone Spotlight search, just like what you're seeing. So each time you're using the iPhone Spotlight search to search for any application just like this, then you should see this kind of pop-ups. So if you want to put an end to this, iPhone allows you to do this. So in this video, I'll walk you through how you can put an end to images showing up in your iPhone Spotlight search. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found this informative and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to disable images from showing up in the Spotlight search, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down until you get to photos and click on that. Then under photos, make sure you click on Siri and search. And once you click on that, come down to while searching and make sure show content in search is disabled. With this feature disabled, you will only be able to see the exact application you're searching for on your iPhone each time you search using the iPhone Spotlight search. Then let's say camera. Can you see that? So camera only comes up on your iPhone, so there's no more online search or online content coming up each time you use the Spotlight search on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily turn off or disable images from showing in the iPhone Spotlight search. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.